Mayor Pastor, kung mamarapati niyo po sana sa inyong programa na mapag-usapan ng tungkol sa umano'y impeachment kay Vice President Inday Sara na bali-balita sa Kamara kamakailan. May mga usapin po sa grapevine at ilang mga unverified sources na ito'y sinusubasta among the senators or congressmen. Kung maalala po natin sa panahon ng impeachment ni Chief Justice Corona, nangyari din po ito. How much more sa isang elected official gaya ni Vice President Inday? Baka maliit daw umano ang 100 to 200 million na suhulan dito. Hindi naman po ito confirmed, Mayor, Pastor. Pero posible po bang mangyari ang ganito? Salamat po sa inyong time na mapag-usapan at maliwanagan ang mamamayang Pilipino sa isyong ito na kumakalat.
Well, Pastor, I would begin by referring to the statement of President Marcos recently. Sabi niya na parang do not wag ninyong bigyan ang problema si Inday at she does not deserve to be gaya ng impeachment. Having said that, ganito yan, Pastor. Nobody can prevent any congressman from filing a resolution calling for the impeachment of the Vice President or Presidente. Sila yung impeachable officers. Sila yung matanggal sa gobyerno by impeachment lang. So, walang makapigil ng isang miyembro ng Congress if he would so insist in filing a resolution maybe for the House to consider an impeachment proceeding against the Vice President. I think it's 2/3 or ganon. It's quite a bit faulty na ang memory ko, Pastor. But ang House ang mag-initiate ng impeachment proceedings. Then the Senate would sit, kagaya ni yung nangyari kay Corona.
As a judge. No?
Well, I don't know, but tingin ko wala namang iba. It's all politics.